Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to manage bank fees in Odoo 19 accounting module. So let's dive into the accounting module first, and we need to manage the reconciliation model. So in Odoo 19, we know that we cannot manage the reconciliation model from the configuration. And there is a slight change in the setting of the reconciliation. You can move on to the bank journal over here, and upon clicking on three dots, you would be able to see the models over here. So here you can see that I have already created a reconciliation model which is called bank fees over here. So let's imagine that we have received an invoice for 1,000 rupees and the bank fees is just 100. So while creating this, you can provide the name of your reconciliation model. And if you want to apply this for all the journals, you can just do that. And here we can set the partner and the amount and everything. And if you want to just go further with any other activity, you can also set the activity over here. So upon moving on to the Odoo 19 reconciliation model, it's very clear that there is a revamp in the reconciliation model, because in the previous version, we know there exist three options to create, to create the bank fees and to manage the counterpart entry, or the rule to suggest counterpart entry, as well as you can also just check the previous invoices or bill using the reconciliation model. Now everything is revamped and the change is clearly visible in the UI, right? So once it's been set, you can provide the account over here. So first you need to set the bank account, which is bank fees, and you also need to provide a label over here, and you can provide the percentage of balance, the amount, and the label again. Now here you can see that we have a field called automate. So upon clicking on automate, when you create a statement for the payment against the payment, if it's matched, that will be doing the automatic reconciliation over there. But if you're just using the manual one, then you need to just manually do everything. So once it's been set, if you want to change the amount, you can just do so. Let me change the amount as 50 and let me save it. Okay, afterwards I would like to create an invoice. So here, while creating the invoice, you can provide the name of the customer. I would like to set the name of the customer as John. And once it's been set, you can save the customer over here. Now let me choose the product, which is laptop, and you can set the amount. I would like to set it as 1,000, and 50 is the bank fees. So once it's been set over here, you can save it and click on confirm. Now afterwards, we need to make the payment, and let's click on create payment. And here you can say that after reconciliation, the payments will be moving to the bank. Now to do the reconciliation, again move on to the bank over here. Now what you have to do is you can click on transactions, and this would let you to create the transaction. That's a statement. So here you can see that we have a new button. So while creating the statements, you can find the revamp in the UI, and you can provide the label. So it's bank fees. Okay. And afterwards, you can provide the name of the customer. And in this case, we know we have just invoiced 1,000 as the amount, and 50 is considered as a bank fee. So 950 will be left, right? So you can just choose that and click on add and close. Now upon choosing this, you can see that we are just getting a bank fees over here. This is because we just go with the manual reconciliation. So you can find the reconciliation over here. You can just select this. So let me select it, and you can see that we have just done with the reconciliation, and it's been done over here. Now let's move on to the invoice. And in the invoice, you can find it's been paid, and let me click on validate, and you can see that it's been paid. So this is how we manage with the reconciliation model of managing the bank fees in Odoo 19 accounting module. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.